Hello there, this is Priyanka from Spider Software. Welcome to another episode of Trade Talk. This time we have an enterprising lady with us. There is Dhwani Patel. Dhwani Patel is in the financial market for over a decade. Her initial stunt was as an executive in the broking industry and she took capital market as a full-time passion. She has been a full-time trader and an entrepreneur during her entire career and hence risk management was the key element that she learned. She's an active BNI Hyderabad member of visiting faculty for finance to various universities. She has many degrees to her sleeve, and she's also a SEBI registered research analyst and a co-founder of Finversify, which is focused on providing diversified investment solutions to its clients. Finversify is a strong team of capital market professionals having CFA and CMT. Also, she is featuring as a guest speaker on CNBC and ET Now. Tell me, Dhwani, how has it been life after COVID?
Hi Priyanka, thank you for the lovely introduction. And talking about life after COVID, so we are getting back to normalcy. That's really nice. In fact, let's talk about like I'm from Hyderabad, so here COVID's gone since very long time now, and things were back to normal just after the second lockdown that we had. So yeah, pretty much in place and back to again the same lifestyle. And the best part is pubs are open now.
That's lovely. Tell me one thing. Now, we at Spider know quite a bit about your journey, but why don't you share with, in your own little words, your background of your journey?
All right. So my journey starts way back. It's more of a DNA that I've got from my father. He's also been an active investor and a trader into markets since his early days. So that's where the entire journey started from the dining room and the living room of my house, where the first thing in the morning we used to hear is about markets. And my mother also being quite entrepreneurial. Yes, it is something that's a mix of both that I got in. And I personally got my interest towards market and first trading or investment journey, as you say, started in 2010 when I was doing my internship. And that was a period when I was introduced also to technical analysis as a tool to analyze the markets. And then there was no turning back, one after the other, just the stones kept unturning and the journey just went on.
Okay, good to know. Tell me, what's your current market view?
So, if you ask me about my current market view, it's anywhere sideways is what I'm expecting on the index. Not much of a move, but it's also giving me a broad range over here. I am looking at Nifty on, if you say a monthly kind of a view, then I'm looking at a broad range of 650 points there. Anywhere that could range from on the lower side, I'm looking at 16,850, and on the higher side I'm looking at 17,480 to 500 kind of a range, which is coming up. In the short term, if we talk about, we've seen a good close on the index today, so I do expect that our short term bounce is due over here, and we should see if the range on either side is broken, we will see new levels coming up.
Okay. Good to go. Tell me one more thing. How has Spider helped you in your journey, in your trading journey?
Okay, so Spider was actually the first software that I was introduced to during my internship, and that's where I started using it in 2010, and still I am using the same. The best part that I find is the scanners that are there into Spider. So pretty much makes life easy that I don't have to scan everything under the umbrella. I can just put in my rules, and I can have the setups, ideal setups I'm looking up at to trade, and makes life easy as a discretionary trader for me.
Right. So Spider has definitely helped you in your technical analysis. That's what you're saying, right?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. It's been just like another helping hand out there. I don't need to go to a number of charts to scan in. I just have to run a scanner here, and I just have those filters ready for me. Then it totally depends on how I'm putting in the conditions and what are the kind of setups I'm looking up for. So yes, pretty much. And every time we see something new also as a feature coming up over here on Spider. So that is also which puts you across with a lot of curiosity to learn more about it, that one. So yes, as from 2010 Spider has evolved, so have I in my technical journey with it.
Okay, good to know. Good to know. And tell me, what is your trading plan or mantra that you swear by?
So, if you talk about setups in particular, I prefer more of consolidation setups which are giving trending breakouts from the same. So, we have very useful features here in Spider to know more about those congestions which we use as a tool. So, yes, I my trading mantra is more of like finding out congestions, because I do believe in one thing, that if prices have been into a range for a very long time, it's not going to stay in the same space for a good period of time. We are going to have some
Right.
trending breakouts. So those are the
Right.
kind of stocks particularly I look up at. But again, if you ask me from a psychological perspective, what is my trading plan? My trading plan will be anything which I am able to put across in a disciplined way, right?
Okay.
So that's
Right.
something which is very necessary. So if I have proper setups, then only my trading plan falls in place for me.
Yes, that's actually as simple as it should be. Tell me, what's your tip that you would like to share with your viewers? The golden tip.
One Yeah, so as I said, discipline is something which would be my golden tip as well. If you are a new entrant or you are already, existing into market, be disciplined about your trade setups. You can have n number of combinations to form up your trade setups, but if you once you've found that this is the setup that suits you, then there is no moving out of that. You must adhere to it. So if you are into markets, and if you want to earn out of markets, follow it in a disciplined manner, then it's a very rewarding game here.
I was asking, when will you conduct the next webinar in association with Spider?
As soon as Spider wants, I'm in for it. There have been a couple of webinars we've done earlier as well, and I'm definitely looking forward to share more of my insights about the software, about the usage of the software, and the kind of setups that I have got with Spider. So anytime
Right.
soon that you guys are up for, I'm in it.
Anytime. We'll be more than happy to have webinars with you. It has been quite insightful today to talk to you. Thank you for today. And as I always say to my viewers, keep trading and keep smiling. Thank you.